Have you ever wondered what secrets millionaires might have up in their sleeves? Welcome to today's video, where we decode the mantras of financial success. Dive in with me as we uncover the coveted habits that make millionaires out of ordinary people. My quest into the world of millionaires started out of pure curiosity, and what I found was truly fascinating. Every single one of them swore by a unique set of habits that are universal, yet transformative. But first, let's get something clear. While I may not have built 8 streams of income like some of the seasoned pros, my passion lies in understanding and sharing the intricacies of wealth generation and preservation. Remember, while making money is an art, retaining and growing it is a science that requires understanding, patience, and more than just a touch of wisdom. Diving right in, the first millionaire habit is building multiple streams of income. Never stop being curious about potential sources of income. As the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett suggests, relying on a single income stream is extremely close to having none. While cutting costs is essential, it's equally crucial to seek avenues that can supplement your primary income. There's an age-old saying in the financial world, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Millionaires exemplify this by continuously seeking varied income streams. The safety net provided by multiple revenue streams ensures that even if one avenue collapses, others can soften the fall. This isn't about working multiple full-time jobs, but about smart, diverse income strategies, be it gig economy roles, investments, side hustles, entrepreneurial ventures, or even content creation platforms like YouTube. Next up, smart investing. Millionaires are smart investors who prioritize long-term rewards over short-term gains. They don't just throw their money into the latest investment fad. Their choices are backed by meticulous research, consultation, and long-term visions. While there are always exceptions to the rule, sustainable wealth is typically not built overnight. It's the result of deliberate, informed, and strategic investment decisions. Day trading and chasing market trends might sound exciting, but sustainable wealth is often built on a bedrock of solid, time-tested investment vehicles, like ETFs or index funds. And while we're on investments, let's talk diversification. Diversification isn't just a buzzword, it's their protective shield. A robust portfolio isn't just about having different stocks, it's about venturing into varying asset classes, from real estate to bonds, and more. The essence of diversification lies in mitigating risks. When one asset underperforms, another might soar. It's like setting multiple anchors for a ship, ensuring stability even in a financial storm. And speaking of real estate, it's a highly favored investment choice among many millionaires, and for good reason. It offers a unique set of advantages that can help individuals grow their wealth over time. You can leverage a small sum and gain ownership over assets that are worth much more. Its potential for leveraging capital, the ability to generate rental income, property appreciation, and various tax advantages contribute to its appeal as a wealth-building tool. Additionally, its tangible nature provides a sense of security and control that is highly valued in the world of investing. If you're finding these insights useful, and you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button. Let's embark on this financial journey together. Back to our list, one of the golden rules is to avoid unnecessary consumer debt. Yes, not all debts are born equal and aren't universally bad. Some, in fact, are the stepping stones to millionaire status. However, what distinguishes millionaires is their aversion to consumer debt. They understand the potential risk of debts like credit card bills, personal loans, and excessive spending. They ensure every cent spent has value and aligns with their financial bandwidth. Remember, it's not always about how much you earn, but how much you save, and where you invest your savings. Speaking of spending, here's something to ponder. Do we often buy just to appear well off? The trap of staying updated with every new trend can be a never-ending desire and one of the quickest ways to deplete wealth. Before making a purchase, it's important to weigh the cost against its real value. Momentary pleasure can lead to long-lasting financial regret. Keeping up with the Joneses might sound cliché, but this age-old trap still ensnares many. Millionaires recognize the futility of buying the latest gadgets or luxury items merely for societal validation. They prioritize value over vanity. After all, it's about assessing genuine needs over fleeting wants. As they say, the richest person isn't the one who has the most, but the one who needs the least. Next to our list is taking care of one's health and well-being. This is another understated millionaire habit. While this may not seem directly related to finance, consider the long-term effects. Good health means fewer medical bills, increased longevity, and the energy and vitality to pursue ventures. Millionaires view their body as their most valuable asset. Investing in regular exercise, a balanced diet, and even mindfulness practices like meditation are not just habits but necessities. Beyond personal health, the mental landscape is equally important. Embracing failure and viewing it as a learning curve is a mindset that sets millionaires apart. Where many see setbacks as endpoints, millionaires see them as feedback. It's about pivoting, adapting, and moving forward with renewed strategy and vigor. Every failure is merely a stepping stone towards greater success. Next is commitment to lifelong learning. Millionaires' thirst for knowledge is insatiable, manifesting in various forms, be it books, courses, or mentorships. They understand that personal growth directly impacts financial growth. Being open to learning not only broadens horizons but also equips them to adapt to an ever-evolving financial landscape. They are not only diversifying their financial portfolios but also diversifying their skills. Continuous skill acquisition, be it in the world of technology, languages, or even soft skills, places millionaires ahead of the curve. The ability to adapt and resonate with diverse audiences is invaluable. This might mean taking a coding course, learning about emerging markets, or understanding the intricacies of AI and its implications in business. Embrace new skills, understand global perspectives, and continuously seek self-improvement. Furthermore, they also practice what can be termed strategic generosity. Philanthropy and giving back, while morally commendable, also have tangible benefits. It allows networking with like-minded individuals, understanding grassroots challenges, and often leads to the discovery of new market needs that can be addressed. It's not only about donating money, it's also about investing time and expertise, mentoring the next generation, and leaving a legacy that transcends monetary worth. Finally, remember that millionaires value their time immensely. They practice effective time management, often outsourcing tasks that do not align with their core competencies or passions. By ensuring that every hour is spent productively, whether it's for business, leisure, or personal growth, they optimize their life for success. Your quest for knowledge has already begun by tuning into our channel. Dive deeper into various subjects, be it personal finance or investment ideas. And always remember, the path to mastering anything starts with the willingness to learn everything. So, the next time you think about wealth, remember these insights. Because the journey to becoming a millionaire is as much about mindset as it is about money. The journey to $1 million begins with a single step, a single habit. Start today. Thank you for joining me today. If you found value in this video, do leave us a like. And for more content that fuels your financial journey, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.